Guys, good evening to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Prem Kumar. Now we're gonna discuss about IP address and types of classes address. So, what is called IP address? A unique string of numbers separated by the full stop that identifies each computer using the internet protocol to communicate over a network. So we have five types of address: class A, class B, class C, and class D. So here class range table, we have here class name and range, subnet marks, a number of networks, number of hosts, network prefix. So class A range is 0 to 126 and submarks is 2550 dot 0 dot 0 and number of networks 2 power 8 and number of hosts 2 power 24, network prefix 8. Next class B 128 to 191 range. Now submarks net 255.255.0.0. Number of networks 2 power 16 and number of hosts 2 power 16. Here networks prefix is 16 and class name C range goes to 192 223. Submarks is 255.255.255.0 and number of networks 2 power 24, number of hosts 2 power 8 and network prefix 24. And we have two class D and E. It is not for range 224 to 239 and 242 to 223 for subnet marks and number of networks and number of hosts and networking prefix. Next we will go to next slides. Why IP address 127 is not used? So see here once 127.0.0.1 is a loopback okay internet protocol. IP address also referred to as a local host. The IP address is used to establish an IP connection to the same mission or computing begins by the end user. So this is not used for IP address. So for making four subnets, borrowing by two, like S1 00 and S2 is 01, S3 is 10 and S4 is 11. These for making four subnets. Okay, next subnets, we have here four subnets S1, S2, S3, S4, and we have networking address and usable address and borrowed cache. S1 is for network address 192.168.10.0 and usable address 192.168.10.1 and 192.168.10.62 and borrow cache is 192.68.10.64. And we see here subnet S2 and 192.168.10.64. Usable address is, we have two usable address 192.168.10.65 and 192.168.10.126 and borrow cache is 192.168.10.127 and subnet is, we have S3 network address 192.168.10.23 and usable address is 192.168.10.129 and 192 and 192.168.10.190 and broadcast is 192.168.10.191. So last we have S4 and for S4 network address is 192.168.10.192 and for usable address we have two address. One is 192.168.10.193 and another one is 192.168.10.254 and we have broadcast and last one is 192.168.10.255. This is all about IP address, how it works. So guys, please do subscribe. Bye.